all, welcome to Learn with Techies. I'm super excited for this video as we are going to see the first version of text to video generation using AI. This technology can convert any text to a video using AI. I'm pretty excited about this because I think this was the final piece that was missing in the whole series of AI generation where AI could generate images from text, presentation from text, and so forward. So let's check that out. This is the website that we are using. I'll be posting the link in the video description below. So here you will be entering your prompt and here the video will be generated. You do have some example prompt to try it out. So let's first check this out. So this is what it has created. This is not highly detailed, but this is the first version, so I'm pretty sure it's going to improve from here. Here we are creating a video of an astronaut eating a banana. This is the option that I have chosen. I have not changed anything in here, but you can go ahead and change the number of frames or steps or seats however you want. You just have to type your text in here and click on generate video and it will create a video for you. So our video is ready. Let's just play this up. So this is what it has created. It's not perfect, but I could see my astronaut and I could see the banana. So it's a little bit closer to what I have asked. Not perfect, but almost there. Let's try something else. So this is what I'm adding. A detailed boy sitting on a stool playing a piano, realistic 4K. And let's see what it's creating. So if you see, sometimes I get something like this also, that the application went wrong. It's all because I am using the free version and this is hugely popular, so many people are using it right now. You can go ahead and pay for it to get the premium version, or else for now if you want to use it as free, you can keep clicking it. After 2 or 3 tries, it will allow you to create that video. So I tried like 4 or 5 times and then it worked for me. So this is what I get. I can go ahead and try it. So if you see, it's kind of closer to what I want. Still the boy is a little bit disfigured and the piano is not clear, but at least it's something closer to what I wanted. And I think you have to go back and keep doing it like 3 or 4 times to get the exact video that you want. While I was using the free model, in the pricing section you can go ahead and use their priced model also to get it upgraded. If you are going to be professionally using something like this either now or in future, I will recommend using the pricing model because that will increase your GPU instance also. Because as of now, as soon as you type something, it takes like more than a minute to generate a video. So that will save you a lot of time. Let's try the last example of this video. A blue alien eating tacos. So there is a blue alien eating tacos on Mars. So it's all done. Let's check this out. I can see my blue alien and I can see kind of Mars, but I don't see the taco. One more thing that I have noticed is like in all of the videos, all of the frames have this Shutterstock logo in there. So I think all these models are being trained on free Shutterstock images. That's why they have all of these logo ingrained. One more quick video I want to share with you around what world has been doing with this technology. There's one Twitter video that's going viral as of now. So let's check that out. So this guy has made a very cool video using this technology. So you can see this is not perfect. I also tried various examples and my conclusion is that you have to try it like 3-4 times the same prompt with different parameters to get the right video that you have in your mind. But I find this highly promising and will keep an eye on this. So that's it for today. Do like and subscribe our channel and do comment in the video what you think of this technology and how you're going to use this in your daily life. Thanks, and we'll see you again in the next video of What's New in Tech.